On behalf of the Informed Society for Marketing Science, I'd like to welcome you to the final stages of the 2006 Practice Prize competition, now in its fourth year. I'm John Roberts, Chairman of the Prize Committee this year, which includes my distinguished colleagues, Mike Hansens, representing the Marketing Science Institute, Tulur Medan as the ISMS President, Jan Benedict Steenkamp, representing the European Marketing Academy, Steve Shugan as Marketing Science Editor, Pete Fader, Gary Lillian, Deline Hampton of Procter & Gamble, and Manfred Kraft. Niels Andres from the Brand Science Institute sent his apologies due for urgent personal reasons. The Society's bylaws state that its purpose is to foster the development, dissemination and implementation of knowledge, basic and applied research and science and technologies that improve the understanding and practice of marketing. The purpose of the prize is to highlight excellence in the dimensions of practice and implementation. According to the prize protocol, and I quote, "The Practice Prize is awarded for an outstanding implementation of marketing science concepts and methods. The methodology used must be sound and appropriate to the problem and the organisation, and the work should have a significant, verifiable and preferably quantitative impact on the performance of the client organisation." In other words, the award is designed to recognise both the rigour of the work along with its focus on relevance and organisational impact. Specifically, the following criteria have driven the selection of the finalists and will derive the selection of the winner. Implementation, who uses it, for what and how. Impact, what value was created throughout the organisation. Methodological quality, what is the learning and the leading edge applications that come from this. Technical originality, does it demonstrate uniqueness and flair? Difficulty, what are the problems and what are the politics and technical issues involved in solving those problems? Transportability, can we use this in other applications or in similar organisations? And finally, charm. And by charm, we mean what will the research impact on society and is it newsworthy? The prize committee have reviewed the many excellent entries, each of which was described by both the work itself and with the managerial implications from the client organisation. From the set of entries, the judges have selected 4 finalists whose presentations we are about to hear. Each of these finalists has been asked to provide the judges with a full paper of marketing science publication quality, as well as a quantitative impact of the results from the client. The following presentations represent the final stages of a rigorous selection process. At this time, I would like to thank the Institute for the Study of Business Markets, the Marketing Science Institute, the Brand Science Institute, the European Academy of Marketing, and the Australian Marketing Institute in conjunction with the Australian and New Zealand Marketing Academy, whose generous sponsorship is helping to make the prize competition and the development of the DVDs that go with it available. Please join me in thanking those organisations.